Let's take a look at configuring print settings. Now, you can see what it's going to appear like if by going to View, the View tab, and click Page Break Preview. Now from here, as you do your adjustments, and you can see the changes. Now, if I go back to Page Layout, there's margins, and this probably won't help too much in terms of what you're seeing right here. But you can change it to normal, wide, narrow, or if you do custom margins, you can put whatever numbers you want here. Now the orientation, if I were to choose portrait, see how that changes? So it's now showing less of these, and this column is not even appearing on our piece of paper. So you may want to change the width of it. Now, as you change the width, see how it'll automatically alter what will appear, what will print, and so forth. Now, if I went back and I don't have everything appearing here at C3, looks like my eyes aren't too good, but if I do margins and I do narrow margins, that didn't appear to help me any on that. So again, you could change fonts, lots of different things you could do. Okay. Now the size, you can print it to different paper sizes, or you can choose more paper sizes. A few more options may be there. Print area, if you just want to set part of it, we looked at that in another video. That's where you highlight whatever you have and you click set print area, and it'll just print just that. Now for the breaks here, you can put your own page break. So if I click insert page break, I have to be at location first. Now if I do insert page break, we see it puts a page break right there. So again, by having this showing in this manner, you can kind of get an idea without doing a file print over and over to see what it looks like. Now notice that you can do a background on it if you want. I've never done that. But notice that there's a print titles here. Let's say I want that topic, skill, and details to appear on every page. So I click print titles, and this is where you can set your settings. Rows to repeat, columns to repeat. You can even do your print area. Lots of different options here. I'll let you take a look at that. But rows to repeat, if I click in here, I could maybe try to manually put it in there. Or if I click this little up arrow, then you come over here and you can choose that row. And you see it put $1:1 $1. I'll do this arrow here. And now click OK. Now, if I did it right, let's go to print preview. Okay, there's topic, skill, and details at top, topic, skill, details at top, topic, skills, detail at top. Now, do not mistake that this view is the same as a print preview. It gives you a little bit of view of portrait, landscape, of your breaks and so forth, but you really need to use the two in combination. But that's how you can set different things, different properties, different items for your printing.